Here's a video dedicated to Huawei's exceptional after-sales services, which are more impressive than you might expect. In a surprising case, Huawei even repaired a bullet-damaged smartphone, showcasing their remarkable capabilities. But first, let's talk about the highly useful app, Mobile Trans from Wondershare. This app makes it easy to transfer contacts, messages, photos, music, videos, documents, and even WhatsApp messages from your old phone to a new one. With just a few clicks, you can seamlessly move data between devices. Just download Mobile Trans, link in the description, install it, and follow the on-screen instructions for various functions like WhatsApp transfer, phone transfer, and backup and restore, including recovering deleted WhatsApp messages. Recently, a Huawei Mate 60 Pro user experienced the durability of their device firsthand. After the phone was accidentally shot, creating a noticeable hole in the back and shattering the front display panel, the user took it to a Huawei service center, not expecting much. However, technicians impressively repaired the severely damaged phone in just 2 hours, even joking about the user's shooting accuracy. The repair cost 2,418 Yuan, about $340, which the user found reasonable given the quality of the service. This incident not only highlights Huawei's dedication to customer service, but also the robustness of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro, equipped with cooling glass technology and high-end specifications. It reassures Huawei fans that the company is prepared to handle even the most extreme damages. What are your thoughts on this? Could any other company match Huawei's level of after-sales service? Share your opinions in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates. Peace out.